How to make your following list private. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make your following list private. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First, then go to your Facebook, and now click on those three lines up there, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on privacy checkup, and here click on who can see what you share and click on continue. And now you have who can see the people pages and list you follow, which is the last option. Click on public and now choose friends, friend except, or specific friends, or only me. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.